This is Old Blue, 1980 C10 Chevy truck, short bed. We just love this thing. We had taken the 305 tired old small block out of it, put in a 454. Then about 2 years ago it stopped running. We think it's a wiring issue and it's just sat here. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to clean it up this year, but we're definitely going to do something with it this year. Got some rust, but we don't mind that. Love the old truck look, love the short bed, love the C10. Oh yeah, it's a Big 10, C10 Big 10. Love this whole thing. We'll get it running again. We'll decide if we're going to keep that 454 in it, maybe put an LS in it. We do have a 6.0 LS in our garage, just sitting there waiting for a project.